to show you guys how to create this pattern. Of course, pattern is the first skeleton of a shoe, the first procedures of getting a shoe ready for your customer. So I will show you how to make it by watching this video. So we are using this last. Watch how I do this.
After wrapping, you take the feather edge of the last, just attach the last to a straight line, then get the point that is touching the straight point, the straight line. Okay, this is what I do, both side of the last. Anyway, please subscribe to this channel, like, drop your questions. So I try to get the feather edge, then you now join the two side, draw a straight line to join the two feather edge together, right? Straight. From there you divide the shoe last into two, equal half, 50-50, two equal half. All right. From there I'm trying to get the back height, so take the length of the last, starting from 0 centimeter down to what the length will give you. Once you get that, then you divide it by 5, then add 1. That will give you the back height. That's what I'm doing. All right, so this video is open to corrections, is open for criticism. So if you have corrections you want to make, yeah, we learn every day, so you can, you know. So to get your vamp points, you are dividing this into 2. All right, to get your opening, just subtract 1.5 from the straight line you draw, that's from the opening of the last, then get your curves. Now before then you have to draw your top line. See, you get to join the back height points to the farm point. All right, then draw a straight line to get your top line. All right, get your point and your curve. Remember, this shoe doesn't have apron, but I'm just doing it, just trying to bring out the apron so you guys can see. In case you want to do loafers, this is how you do it to get your apron. So I'm drawing the top line now. All right, so I have the top line. So after now, we'll have to, cut using our cutter. Watch carefully. Subscribe, please. Like this video. It's important you like this video so that YouTube will show it to other people to learn. All right, don't hide knowledge. So you're cutting along the line. Okay, carefully cut. We're still cutting. Give us a like, please. You can also support by joining our membership. You can send in gift cards, you can buy Google cards and send for us. We'll appreciate any amount. So take off the excesses. Take off the excesses to get a picture of what your shoe will be looking like at the day end. All right. So you detach now, carefully detach. After now, you're placing, fold your paper into two to get a straight line, then you place along your line. And then spray your masking tape on the paper carefully. Avoid folding. See that? You lay carefully and gently and spread it. Spread gently. Then you add your lasting allowance, 2.5 centimeter lasting allowance, round. Then you join the lines or cords. So we cut round along our lasting allowance, alright. Then you cut to give you the shoe opening and the top line. But then remember, the shoe we're making, it has an additional an attachment. It has an attachment. So this is what will differentiate the shoe from a loafers. You can see, watch carefully what I'm going to do. See this attachment here, that design. So after cutting the opening, so you use the measurement, subtract. I'm subtracting. Subtract from both sides. You can subtract 1.5 from both sides to give you like 3 centimeter subtraction. Alright, then trace it on the paper. That will give you the folding, that attachment that you have to cut to become a zigzag kind of thumbs shoe. Alright, watch carefully. So in this video, that means you learn 2 major things, like you learn how to draw a pattern of loafers and also normal thumbs with zigzag attachment. Alright, so if you are to name this shoe, what will you call it? What will you call this shoe? The best caption of this shoe, the name, I have a gift for you. Best caption of this shoe. Caption this shoe, call it a name, give it a name under the comment section. You have a gift from me. I promise you that. The best name, you have a gift from me. So this is just the pattern. I'm sure you learned something. Thank you for watching. Jesus loves you. Bye.